Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
What happened in 2017 will not happen this time. We are together, we are prepared, and we won't allow the repetition of what happened in 2017. This time Congress will form the government and there shall be no scope for anything else to happen. As soon as the results are out, we will stake claim, and as per the constitution, the governor has to follow the rules, and I don't see any reason for anything to go wrong this time. As soon as the entire results are out, we will have a CLP meeting. Within a few minutes, we will elect a CLP leader and we will go and stake the claim.
आमकां दिसता की आमची पार्टी क्लियर मेजॉरिटी घेवन गोवा फॉरवर्डाच्या अलायन्साच्या बरोबर सत्तेर येतली अशें आमकां दिसता. 10 तारखेक गोंयकाराच्या हातांत गोंयचो फुडार. देर विल बी मेनी सरप्रायजीस. तुमकां कळटलें कावंटींग जाता तशें.
In my political career, right from 2009 till 2021, I was Zilla member, I was MLA, I was acting speaker, deputy speaker, minister. उडी मारल्या आमी.
दुसऱ्याक मारपाक लायला न्हू पण.
अरे ती आमची कला न्हू. जे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ज्यो आहा, MG आहा, आप आहा, TMC कडेन आमचे लिडर उलयला. हांव जे कोणा कडेन उलयला तेच उलयता की तेणी आमकां उतर दिला ते आमच्या वांगडा आहा. BJP पार्टीन हांकां यूज करून एब्यूज केल्या ते पार्टी वांगडा हे रावचे ना. ते सायडीन झगडी चालू जाली. 70सून ऑलरेडी तेंच्यांनी ते कोणाक वचून मेवले खंय आनी सांगले खंय आय एम द होल एंड सोल आनी कितें कितें आयकता आमी. हे सायडीन आमचे सायडीन असो तुका एकूय मनीस मेवचो ना की आय एम लॉबिंग फॉर दीस, आय एम लॉबिंग फॉर दीस.
I'm very confident of winning that Aldona constituency for Indian National Congress, and I think that people would definitely show the vote on 10th.
I am getting very positive vibes from my people, and we are here to create history in Shivali constituency.
Would Lobo like to see his husband as a CM?
Of course, why not?
त्याच्या जे सरकार स्थापन करपाची कितें तेंची टॅक्टीक आसा तेजे डिस्कशन थोडें जालें. म्हापशेच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाक लागून एक म्हापशेच्या MLA बरें पोजिशन दिवचें एक लोकांची एक तशें आहा. आनी
आतां ही पळय आतां आमची टीम आहा ही आमची कोणूच असले डिफेक्शन करपी कोणूच ना. आमी एक बोटीन कशें आहा आनी ही बोट आमकां सेल करूंक जाय 5 वर्सां.
म्हणजे गव्हर्मेंटूय आमी करपाचें हितून सारकें फूल स्विंग आसा. काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट
साखळूनच न्हू सबंद गोंयभर जनतेन वोट फॉर चेंज केला आनी काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट मेजॉरिटीन येतले आमचे.